Rain, written by Don Patterson. I love all films that start with rain. Rain breaking a window pane or darkening a hunger dress or streaming down her upturned face. One long thundering downpour through the empty script and score. Before the egg, before the bomb, before the lens pulls through the frame. To where the woman sits alone beside the silent telephone. Or the dress lies thrown on the grass, or the girl walks off the other path. And all things flow out from the source along their vital water course, however bad or all belong. Such a villain can turn around. So when his native flank shows through, or when the boom dips in the view, or when her speech betrays start to betray, it's adaptation from the play. I think so. When we open cold on a rain dark gutter, running cold with the neon of a drugstore sign, and actress into its blazing line. Forget the ink, the milk, the blood, all was washed clean with the flood. We rose up from the falling waters, the violent rain's own sons and daughters. And none of this matters.